Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find saved links on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. On Telegram you can save any message, you can actually forward them to saved messages, and then you can easily find all saved messages at the same place. Let me show you how it looks. You can open up any conversation, let it be that one, and from here you can forward or save any conversation. Let me show you how it works. I'm just trying to find the short one. Let it be that. And now, if I want to save that message, all I have to do is hold down on it and then hit on forward and select saved messages. Now the message has been forwarded to saved messages, and let me show you how you can easily find all the messages, especially the links. So I'm gonna go to the Telegram main page, and from here all you have to do is just get into settings, where you can easily find towards the very top of the screen saved messages. Just get into it. There you can find all your saved messages in some kind of conversation, so you can just go through all of your messages in that way, and then you can easily find all of your saved messages. But if you want to find just links, all you have to do is right here, top where it says saved messages, and as you can see, all your content is now sorted into 4 different tabs: media, files, voice, and links. So if you want to find just links, all you have to do is select links tab, and there it shows you just links that you saved before. So you can scroll down through all of that messages, and once you find the link that you want, you can hold down on that link and then, for example, copy that link to the clipboard. So guys, that's actually all about how you can find links on saved Telegram messages. So if you like that video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.